Watch this. I asked this little agent to go find me the 3 best budget standing desks, and it goes off, reads a bunch of sites on its own, and comes back with the ranked lists. I didn't write any code for this. I didn't even build it from scratch. It's a text file I grabbed off the internet and tweaked. And by the end of this video, you have your own. Let's do it. Okay, real quick. Does this sound like you? You want to buy something or learn something? So you open 15 tabs. You paste links into Claude one at a time. You lose track of which source said what. And next week, you do the whole thing over again. Or you got one giant Claude trying to do everything. So it loses the thread halfway through. That is the hard way. A subagent fixes it. It's a small, focused helper that has one job. Does its reading on its own, off to the side, and just hands you the answer. I'm Svante, by the way. Let me show you the easy way to get one. But first, because people mix these up. In Claude Code, you got skills and you got agents, and they are not the same. A skill teaches Claude how to do some recurring tasks, and it runs right there in your chat, sharing the same conversation. It's great for procedure. You repeat. An agent is different. You hand it a job, and it goes off to the side, in its own window, with its own tools, does the work, and reports back. And that's exactly what you want for research. It reads a ton without clogging up the main chat. That separation is the point. So for today, we want an agent. Every subagent is built from just 3 things. A job, so it knows what it's for. Its own context, so it knows how to do it without you re-explaining. And its own tools, so it can only do what you actually want. Job, context, tools. Keep an eye out for those 3, because we are about to open one up. Here's the thing nobody tells beginners. You actually don't need to build one from scratch. There are hundreds already made, free, on GitHub. And you don't even download it by hand. I just copy the link, paste it into Claude Code, and ask it to install it for me. I want an agent for web searching. Pick the best one from this GitHub repo. And there it is. A subagent is just a markdown file in a folder called .claude/agents. Claude just dropped it in there for me. Name is what you call it. Description is when Claude should reach for it. Tools like web search and web fetch. This is the safety part. It only gets the tools it needs. Search, find the links, fetch, and read them. That's all it can touch. And the system prompt underneath. This is the brain, how it does the job well. Someone already wrote this for us. Now, I don't love editing this by hand, and I don't have to. I just ask Claude to tailor it. That's it. Tweak my Research Scout agent so it returns a ranked shortlist, 1 line on why each of the sources. Tune it for buying guides. That's it. I described what I wanted. It changed the file. No code. Now let's test it. Use the Research Scout agent to find me the 3 best budget standing desks and tell me why, with sources. And there it is, a ranked list, why for each one, and sources, so I can check it. That's pretty cool. Now, you've probably seen people building whole agent teams, 5-6 agents talking to each other. And that's cool. But for most things, you don't need a team. You need one good subagent that does the job well. And honestly, you usually don't even need to build it. Grab one, tweak it, done. If you ever hit something where nothing fits, then you just ask Claude to build one from scratch. You describe it, and it writes the file. But start by grabbing. Everything I used is linked down below, including the GitHub collection. A couple are affiliate links. Cost you nothing, helps the channel. So that's it. You grabbed a real research agent. You understood what was inside it, and you tailored it to you, all without writing code. Funny thing, an agent almost exactly like this is how I picked this video. I run a little scout that sweeps my niche and tells me what to make next. So they are not a toy. I actually run my channel on them. Tell me in the comments, what would you send a research agent to go find? I'll read all of them. Subscribe if you want more of this. See you in the next one.